What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another banger, bruh. Yes sir, as you could tell, we got the entire POV set up right now. We got the GoPro, and of course we got the CTS V all nice and washed up, looking pretty. So without further ado, bro, I don't want to take too much of your guys' time. You guys know I hate yapping on these intros. Today we're headed to a brand new matcha spot. Well, it's a matcha spot, but they also serve coffee. I know I'm gonna get coffee. We're gonna have to wait and see what Fernanda's gonna get, bro, but I'm super excited. Your boy is getting a Dubai mocha. I have no idea what that's gonna taste like, bro, but I hope you guys are as excited as I am. And yeah, I said we just go ahead and do the 360 and then we'll get our butts on the road. Let's go. Hey guys, today we are headed to, what's it called?
Tojo?
Tojo.
Yeah.
Tojo. I don't know if you guys were able to hear that, but
Tojo Coffee Tea House.
yeah. I told you guys what I'm getting. Do you want to go ahead and tell them what you're gonna get?
Yeah, I want to get a cookie butter matcha.
Yep. They have a bunch of other crazy drinks, bruh, but I'm telling you, we could not decide. We had like 4 drinks we wanted to get, but we might just have to come back for those other ones. But yeah, anyways, oh my gosh, I'm gonna drive off the cliff right here. Let's get this drive going. It is a pretty short one, but yeah, that does not mean we can't have some fun. So let's go. It's a little chilly out right now. I will put the windows down for you guys. What the? How the heck do I get out of here?
You were supposed to turn left.
Was I? I thought it was a one-way over there.
Oh, I don't know.
Maybe not. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna edit all this out. Embarrassing. But yeah, you can go this way. I'm tripping. What would I do without Fernanda's directions, guys?
I know.
Alright, bruh. The car is nice and warmed up. We got a full tank of gas. So let's take advantage. Hopefully we don't get a lot of traffic. I don't know what's going on here, but straight? Okay. Oh my gosh. I did not see that. Guys, we need your help. We are in search of something after, unfortunately, one of our loved ones passed. Rest in peace, iguanas. We have been in the search of a California burrito, I guess. We used to get this burrito at Iguanas that had like nacho cheese in it and French fries.
Yeah.
And oh my gosh, bro, I'm pretty sure there has to be another spot out there that has just as good of a burrito that has that kind of stuff. If you guys know any of my San Jose locals, or I guess anybody in the Bay Area, we're willing to make the drive. Please let me know, bro. We need that. Or if one of the old owners of Iguanas is watching this, bro, bring it back or send us the recipe or something. And yeah, we need it. We've been fiending. U-turn?
Yeah, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Right
Oh
there.
damn, we're right here already, guys. It tells us to make a U-turn. I'm gonna turn left though real quick just to get one last little pull
I'll go, babe.
for you guys, cause that was hella fast.
Yeah.
We did more yapping than driving, I think. But yeah, we'll come back right now and we'll try those drinks.
That's the reservation.
Just a little baby pool, because we are here around some houses. You never know. You never know. I don't know if I could do this, but we're doing it. Oh my gosh. You heard this? The view's farting right now, bruh. But yeah, here we are. Fun little drive. I'm excited to try these drinks, bruh. Let's see, let's see. Is it right here?
Yeah, it's gonna be this one.
Alright guys, we'll catch you guys inside. I see some parking right here. Look.
Why does it say baby ear piercing? Like, do they pierce your ears?
In the same place or what?
I don't know, look. Oh, you'll see when we walk up to it.
Well, there's this like truck or van right here that has baby ear piercing also.
What the? It's a pop-up.
Oh my gosh. Bro, my battery is low on my keys, so I keep having to leave it in here. And it always beeps. But it looks like they do ear piercings in there. I don't know if you guys can see the car right here, bro. But you excited?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. You think it's really at the same? No, it's two different buildings, no? Oh, look at this.
That's the one I'm getting. There's a latte.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, se mira bien.
Guys, we are coming back for sure. If it's good.
There's a line, I see it.
Is there? Alright, let's go. Alright guys, bag secured, bro. Look at these. Oh my gosh, that Biscoff cookie looks crazy. And then the Dubai stuff. But we have a lot to say about the spot we were just at, bruh. We'll catch you guys right now.
So we finally have our drink here. I got the Biscoff matcha latte. It didn't give me an option for what kind of milk I want. I usually always get whole milk because I feel like oat milk is a little watery and it looks a little watery from the top. So hopefully it's not oat milk. The place in there was so like chaotic. It was so loud and I don't know, it was just a mess. Let's see if it's good. This is terrible.
Is it? Well, I don't know, maybe if you mix it a little more, it might help.
No, it's big. It's big.
Yeah.
This is not good. Like the matcha is so strong. Like yeah, I know it's matcha, but this drink literally tastes like I have a Biscoff cookie and I just put matcha powder on top of it and I bit it with the side with a cup of water on the side. This is so bad.
I guess you might as well tell us your rating from 0 to 10.
This is a 1 out of 10.
Oh my.
This is like the worst matcha I've ever gotten in my life.
Oh my.
I kind of feel bad saying that because it's kind of like harsh, but I mean, who knows, this could be someone's favorite, but
yeah,
me personally, not my favorite.
I'm actually low-key excited to try this, but not necessarily in a positive way. I'm excited to see if it really is that bad that she's saying it. And again, everything is subjective, bruh. Maybe it's bad to us, but if you guys come try it, you guys might like it. So I don't know, at the end of the day, it's up to you guys if you guys want to come give it a try. Oh my gosh, I don't know, bruh. If I were to describe this, bro, if you guys know, you know, we have tried actual matcha before, like just by itself, and there's some flavor to it. This low-key tastes like straight up water with Biscoff cookie. I don't even taste like the grassy taste of the matcha or nothing. It's like if somebody gave me a cup full of water and ice and they just threw like crumbs of Biscoff in there
with their hands.
That's what it tastes like. Yeah,
maybe yours is better because it does look more appetizing.
But if I had to rate this, bro, I think I'd give it like a 2 out of 10.
That's generous.
Just because the Biscoff is good, it's there, you could taste it, bro. And they do use real Biscoff cookie. I think 2 out of 10 for me. But yeah, check this bad boy out. Your boy got a Dubai chocolate mocha. I got it 75% sweet also. I'm pretty sure they put milk in this one. I don't think they put any milk in Fernanda's,
I think lattes are milk, full milk.
Let's see, I'm excited for this one. I do have a good feeling about this one, bro, so let's see. Okay. There you go. This one I would come back for, bro. This one is good. You could taste the chocolate in there. There's like little pieces of nuts too inside, so you get like a little crunchy after taste or after bite, whatever. This is good. It low-key just tastes like a chocolate shake. I like this one. It has like a little bit of a smoky taste too, but just slightly, bro. It's not like overpowering. Oh my gosh, is it crazy? I think I'm gonna give this like a 9.8 out of 10.
Way.
This one is hella good. I think you should try it.
Okay.
But yeah, once again, everything's subjective, bruh. Maybe that was just a bad drink that we got, but
yeah,
this one's good. So I wouldn't say the place overall was terrible. The environment within itself though, it was crazy. It was hectic, bruh. Everybody was talking hella loud. People couldn't even hear the numbers they were calling out and everything. Yeah, I think they could be a little more organized in there.
Oh yeah, this is good. I don't think it's a 9, but it's good. I give it an 8.
Yeah.
I would give it a 10 if I tasted more like coffee in it, but you're right, it does just taste like chocolate with pistachio. But it's pretty good. If you come to this place, get this, not the matcha. This is good.
Is that it? You're done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Real quick, what I did want to ask you, we've had 2 Dubai drinks before. One here now, and one at Aroma. Which one did you like more?
Aroma, the
non-biased?
I swear, because that one's matcha. That one I could taste the matcha, and it had the, I don't know, I'm gonna butcher the name, katafi, the little thing that goes in the
green thing,
yeah,
right?
That makes it crunchy.
Yeah,
it had that inside.
If I had to decide between the 2, the other one is a matcha, so it is different over like a mocha latte, right?
Yeah.
It was. But I think I would go ahead and pick this one, just because.
Really?
I like how this one's more chocolatey and less pistachio-y, I guess.
Oh yeah, the other one had more pistachio.
The other one was like very strong pistachio flavor. It wasn't bad though, but I think I would take this one over that one.
Yeah, because it's more chocolatey.
But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this place. What was it called? Tojo. That's gonna be it for Tojo, bruh. I'm sorry if we were brutal with that first drink, but it's just our own personal opinion.
Yeah, the place, remember, the place is not like a 2 out of 10.
Yeah.
You know, it was just the drink itself. I would go back and try something else.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys smash that like button and subscribe, bruh. And we'll catch you guys next time. We got so many places to go to, bruh. We do not have enough days in the week to go try them out. But see you guys next time. Late.